Hello, hello. So this is a stay at home for me today because the weather is just crappy outside. First of all, the essential, toothbrush, toothpaste. I always keep like just what I need. I'm going for a week, so this should be enough. Dental floss, deodorant. Deodorant, you can get a smaller one if you need some more space. So I might buy just a travel size. Also my perfume, which I'm gonna add in my security little bag here. It's 100 millimeter. Yeah, it's less than 100 millimeter. There you go. Face scrub, instead of bringing that big container, I pour a little in here. This is going to go again in my security little bag. Hand cream, because I'm going to use a lot of hand sanitizer, so I kind of need that. This is more for the trip in the aircraft, because I know in the hotel I'm going to have some as well. So that's it. I'm gonna add to this bag my lip balm and my mascara. I would like to bring my razor, although it's quite big. So if there's something that I have to remove, that will be it, because I'm going to shave before I go. And let's face it, I'm going to New York, so there's drugstores everywhere. So, you know, worse get worse, I'm just going to buy like a little razor over there. So let's put that on the side. I need a bit of hairspray. This is too much, so I'm going to replace it by this tiny little hairspray here. Makeup. I have quite a bit here. I just have to decide on which color I'm going to use. I can remove a little bit here as well. I like to use this fixing spray so it lasts longer, although because I don't want to take too much space in that little bag, I'm going to replace this fixing spray. It's not the same thing, but that will do. I'm gonna replace that fixing spray by a setting powder. So that also will help to keep my makeup stay longer. So I think I'm just gonna go with that. Essential, good noise canceling headphone. This is for the airplane. Definitely, I need that. So hand sanitizing wipe. This is for the aircraft. Now, I'm going in about 2-3 weeks. I don't know if it's gonna rain. Definitely this one, it's a good umbrella, but it's too big. So if it's not raining departing home, I'm not going to bring any. And if it's raining in New York, then I'm just going to buy, they have like rain jacket, like plastic rain jacket for $10. So I'm just going to buy that. So then I don't have to walk around with my umbrella. So I'm just going to buy that rainy jacket and I can carry on with my day. If it's raining though, departing from here, I'm gonna bring this little one. When it comes to shoes, it's always been a big problem for me because I tend to bring too much. So this time, what I'm gonna do, you know, the only thing I need is comfortable shoes to walk the city. So I'm bringing those. I need shoes to go out, so I was thinking of bringing those, but I think I'm just gonna leave it. So that's it. So I'm leaving with those, so it's not gonna take space in my suitcase. And I'm bringing my flip-flop as always because I like to wear my flip-flop when I'm having my shower, especially when I don't know who wash the shower before I get on. So when it comes to clothing, I'm going for a week. So I want to bring 2 different outfits to go out. I've decided on that little dress here. It's pretty light, easy to roll and pack. And I'm going to bring this long dress, black long dress as well. That's it, same thing. Also, because I'm going to spend a lot of time outside and it might be cold, I'm going in about 3 weeks, so I'm bringing a pair of jeans, a warm sweater. I'm bringing another outfit that I'm going to wear. That's a long dress, but that dress is pretty warm, and I can easily wear that dress with my running shoes as well. So I'll see how much place left in my carry-on. I might add a little more clothing, it depends, but really I don't need much more, honestly. I'm gonna add some underwear. I don't need to add anything to sleep because I can always sleep naked. But if you prefer, you can add a little t-shirt in there. Gonna add a few underwear, and that's it. I'll be ready to go to New York. Also, I am definitely bringing my sunglasses and my hat because I'm going to spend a lot of time outside. And I will also bring my camera. I found that waist little bag here. I love this bag. I got it from Amazon, and it's pretty awesome because you can have an easy access to your camera whenever you need to, and you don't have to carry it on your shoulders. The only thing I'm gonna have to carry on my shoulders will be this little bag here because I'm bringing my tripod. So then I can take good shots for you guys. So that's it. This is a new channel. Also, please subscribe if you want to see more of those videos. The next upcoming video will be from New York. So I'm going to take good shots of the city for you. This is not a new city for me. I've been there many times, so I know good places. I kind of have an idea what I want to show you. So subscribe so you're not going to miss any of my video. I'm also going to post a video how to go to the airport from the city. I'm in Montreal City. So if you're coming from somewhere else and you're coming to visit Montreal and you want to go back to the airport with the public transportation, I'll show you how. I'll show you how. This is nice and easy. So that's it. If you like this video, please again subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you next time.